If you want to make a photo transparent in Photopea, this guide will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether your image has a simple background or a more complex one, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can remove the background and reveal transparency behind your subject. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. Go up to File, then click Open and choose your image from your device. Once the image is loaded, look at the Layers panel in the bottom right corner. You should see a layer called Background. To make it editable, double-click that background layer. When you do that, it will unlock and change into Layer Row. Now that your image is unlocked, the next step depends on the type of background you have. If your background is solid, plain, or easy to separate from the subject, the quickest option is the Magic Wand tool. You can select it from the left toolbar or just press W on your keyboard. With the Magic Wand selected, click directly on the background area you want to remove. Photopea will highlight the similar colors it detects around that spot. If needed, you can adjust your selection and then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. As soon as you remove it, the background disappears and you should start seeing the checkerboard pattern behind your subject. That checkerboard pattern is very important because it means the area is now transparent. In Photopea, gray and white squares are the visual sign that there is no background there anymore. So if you can see that pattern behind your image, you've successfully made that part transparent. Now, if your photo has a more complex background, the Magic Wand might not be enough. In that case, use a smarter selection method by going to the top menu and choosing Select, then Magic Cut. This tool is especially useful for images where the subject and the background have more detailed edges like hair, clothing, or uneven scenery. When Magic Cut opens, you'll need to mark the foreground and background manually. Use green to paint over the subject you want to keep, then use red to paint over the background you want to remove. Try to be a little careful here and give Photopea enough of both areas so it understands what should stay and what should go. Once you're happy with the markings, click OK. Photopea will process the image and remove the background based on your selection. Again, you should now see that gray and white checkerboard behind your subject, which confirms that the background is transparent. If you need to clean up the edges or refine the result, you can always zoom in and make small adjustments, but for most quick edits, this method works really well. And that's it. You now know how to make a photo transparent in Photopea using either the Magic Wand tool for simple backgrounds or Magic Cut for more detailed images. This is one of the easiest ways to prepare product photos, profile images, graphics, and cutouts for design work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.